Hello viewers, welcome to my new channel Ryan's Chemistry Academy. In my channel I am going to create more videos about easy to learn chemistry. So please do support my channel for more chemistry videos. Please subscribe, share and click on the bell icon for getting the notification of my new videos. Hi dear students, hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain about Bohr's atomic model. So Niels Bohr is a scientist and he also introduced one new model of atom and he explained about the path of the electron around the nucleus. And the main focus of Bohr's atomic model to explain about the stability of the atom. And he gave some postulates. So one by one we are going to learn about the postulates of Bohr's atomic model. So it is the first one. In any atom, the electron revolve around the nucleus in a stationary circular path. In any atom, the electron revolving around the nucleus in a stationary circular path. The path is called as orbit or shells. The stationary path, the definite path are called as orbit or shell. So around the nucleus, the electrons are revolving in their own definite path. The path is there. Along the path only electrons are revolving. The path is called as orbit or shells. And also each of the orbit. So each of the orbit have their own energy value. The energy is quantized for each of the orbit or shells. So this orbit also called as the path, also called as energy level. So electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a different energy level. So each path having their own quantized energy value. So here, as long as an electron revolves in a fixed stationary path or orbit, it does not lose its energy. There is no losing of energy takes place while electron revolving around the nucleus. But jumping of electron takes place from one energy level into another energy level. That time energy absorption or energy evolution takes place. So while electron revolving around the nucleus in their own path in orbit or in a shell, there is no loss of energy. But so when an electron jumps from lower energy level into higher energy level, there are four energy levels explained here. One is K, L, M, N. So when an electron jumps from K to L, K is the lower energy level. So when an electron jumps from K to L, so lower energy level to higher energy level, absorption of energy takes place. So when the electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, emission of energy takes place in the form of radiation. That is only explained like this. E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu. So E2 is the higher energy level, E1 is the lower energy level. When an electron jumps from higher energy level into lower energy level, energy liberated, the energy emitted in the form of radiation h mu. So, and also, so when the number of energy level or when the number of shells increases, atomic size also increases. So there are four main energy levels, K, L, M, N and so on. And each energy level have to be represented by the quantum number N. So N is nothing but number of shell. It may be first shell, N is equal to 1. It may be second shell, N is equal to 2. It may be a third shell, N is equal to 3 and 4 and so on. So from K to N, from the lower energy level to higher energy level, the energy value increases. As a K is the energy level, the shell, this energy level have their own quantized energy value, but compared to K, the shell L having higher energy compared to L and M and N. So there are four energy level explained here. So which one present very closer to the nucleus? K shell. K shell having very least amount of energy. So next L and M and N. So this is the increasing order of energy level in any atom. So according to the Bose atomic model, the electron revolving around the nucleus in their definite path. That path is called as a orbit or shells or energy level also. So each of the shell, each of the orbit have their own energy value. That value is quantized. So the path is also called as energy level. But here, while electron revolving around the nucleus in an orbit, there is no losing of energy takes place. But there is one possibilities are this: energy transfer or energy absorption or emission of energy takes place. Electron jumps from one energy level into another energy level. So E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu. The next one, when the number of shell increases, atomic size also increases. So the main energy level can be represented by the letters K, L, M, N. The first shell K, so N is equal to 1. Second shell, so N is equal to 2. M is the third shell, N is equal to 3. N is the fourth shell, so N is equal to 4. So when the number of shell increases from K to N, energy also increases. So these are all the postulates of Bose atomic model. He explained about the stability of the atom. Thank you, students. Hope you like this video. So please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.